I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to withdraw money from Western Union, follow these straightforward steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Visit a Western Union location. Find a nearby Western Union agent location. You can use the Western Union website or app to locate the nearest one. Step 2. Bring required identification. Make sure to have a valid ID with you, such as a passport or driver's license. This is essential for verifying your identity when you withdraw funds. Step 3. Fill out the withdrawal form. Once at the location, ask for a withdrawal form. Fill it out with the necessary details, including the sender's name and the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 4. Present your ID and form. Hand over your completed form and valid ID to the agent. They will verify your information and process your withdrawal. Step 5. Collect your cash. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you're withdrawing a large sum, it might be a good idea to call ahead to ensure the location has enough cash on hand. Happy withdrawing!